Inspect the TR board mounting surface for contamination, bumps, or imperfections. Use a lint-free cleaning cloth to wipe the board surface clean. Apply a few drops of uncontaminated isopropyl alcohol to the cleaning cloth to remove stuck particles. Ensure most alcohol is removed from the PCB surface by wiping with a dry, lint-free cleaning cloth. After the board surface has been inspected and cleaned, avoid contact with the surface with fingers or other contaminating objects. Locate the alignment dowels on the bottom of the TR assembly. Take note of the larger to smaller diameter dowel pins, which will be used as a reference when alignment is made to the board. Inspect the PCB footprint for through holes that will receive the locating dowel pins on the connector. These holes are sized to correspond with the dowels on the connector, one large and one small. Carefully align the two dowel pins with their corresponding holes. Please note, the connector aligns to the footprint one way. Do not force the dowels into a reverse position. Using your index finger and thumb, slide the red latch locks downward. It may be helpful to grasp the green connector body with your free hand. While holding the red latch locks downward, squeeze the latches inward toward the connector body and hold in that position. Insert the latch ends into the PCB holes. Release the latches, but continue to push the TR by its shroud downward until the latches bite. Release the TR connector. The red latch locks will already be in their up position, locking the latches in place.